Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Hudora Kiddyscooter. It is Hudora Kids Joey Pinkie 3.0 Kiddyscooter in white pink, and it comes in one size. Protection pad and handlebar, sturdy deck, anti-slip grip tape, axle with nuts, and of course it's available in white, green color too. The age range is about 3 years to up to 18 years, but I think if you're about for approx 7 or 8 years, this will be too small for your kid. The color is white pink. The size is only one size available. The style is Joey Pink 3.0. The material composition is 80% aluminium and 20% plastics. It weighs about 900 grams. The material type is aluminium. The season is all year round. The sport is cycling. You will not need any batteries for it. And it is medium quality. Hudora Joey Pinkie 3.0 Kiddyscooter with bands at handlebar and heart-shaped zipper back. Protection pad as handbar, sturdy deck, anti-slip grip tapes, axle with nuts, handlebar with height adjustable from 66 to 77 centimeters, foot space approx 11 to 31 centimeters, wheel made of synthetics, one time front diameter is 142 millimeters, and 2x rear diameter 120 millimeters. Maximum of user weight is 20 kilogram, not more, only 20 kilogram. Measure is 62 centimeters length by 32 centimeters wide by 77 centimeters in the height. Ooh, and do not appropriate for children under the age of 3. And you can see all what's in the box. Don't come behind that line. It's a maximum line at the shaft. And it is important to go not larger out because of the safety. It is a kick scooter, or you can tell it as push scooter or scooter itself. That is a human-powered street vehicle with a handlebar, deck and wheels, propelled by a rider pushing off the ground. The rider will be your kid at home. The most common scooters today are made of aluminium, like this, titanium and steel. Some kick scooters that are made for younger children have 3 to 4 wheels and are made of plastic, so don't fold. In this case, it is don't fold, and it makes out of plastic and aluminium. High-performing racing scooters made for adults resemble the old penny farthing. Motorized scooters, historically powered by gas engines and more recently electric motors, are self-propelled kick scooters capable of speeds of around 30 km per hour. These are 19 miles per hour. But in this case, it's only a kick scooter for children. You have on board everything what you need. You have the tools, you have the instruction manual as seen here, and if you are watching or keep watching my video, I will show you how to assemble it. So that is in the box, and now we can start the assembling process. Have fun and thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. assembling process completed, and you can see it is a cute, so cute kick scooter, and there it is assembled, and now the kid can have fun with it. Yeah, soon.